Well, welcome to sunny Cheshire in the northwest of England, and this is going to be a blog for me for the next so many weeks, months, years even, and welcome to Diamond Life. We're going to talk primarily about the truck that is the Diamond T, and what we're going to do is look at various different models, and but primarily we're going to focus on what I like, which is the prime mover, and that is the model 980 981, which you can see behind me. And so here's one that is a bit of a bitzer machine, and what we're going to do here is going to see if we can get this thing all the bits together and get it all back on the road again. Okay, so first sheet off, and from what you can see, we have a chassis, we have a back body which currently just drops onto the chassis but facing the wrong way around. We have a rare old collection of parts, if you can see them in the top there, which seems to be 4 fuel tanks. Not quite sure why 4, but listen, I'll take anything that's going at the moment when it comes to spares. We have some tyres, we seem to have a gearbox, we seem to have a full transmission in all fairness, so full running gear, and then as well we've got a Hercules engine as well. So it's got the, maybe not the original engine, but it's certainly the original type of engine that was fitted to these. Great collection of parts. I wonder if we can turn it into a truck. Well, I'll just say at this moment, thanks Freddie, anyway, the previous custodian of this, let me take charge of it, and hopefully we'll turn it into something good. Okay, right, so, and here we go, we're going to take the canvas off now and have a look and see what we've got. Okay, there we go. That was the great unveiling, and now we're having a look around the back of this Diamond. You can see it's all pretty well painted. Looks pretty good on the inside. British modifications on the back. You can see convoy light on the back as well. Interesting to note, I think that is off the production run. So the rear of the 2 axles is 2nd week 1942. The first axle's 48-41. So I'd say that is the 48th week 1941. So anyway, looking down it, as you can see, there's quite a bit of good about it. Quite a bit to do as well, but we'll see how we get on. I think I'm certainly very pleased with what we've got there. So my main concern now is that we've got to try and get it into its home for the next couple of years and see where we go. You can see on some ID plates on the engine, so we'll have an investigate there and see what we've got. But yeah, we'll see where it takes us. So here you go. Managed to get the chassis moving and rolling. So got the old MJ moving, and yeah, got it on a straight bar. Pulled it round. So yeah, hopefully we can get things sorted. The whole idea is we'll
we'll go and try and get it into the back end of the building, so then I can work on it to my heart's content when it's out in the winter nights. Right, well, here we go. Let's see if we can squeeze it in. There you go, diamonds landed. She's now in residence, and yeah, I'm pleased with that. I can see that there's, like I say, there's a lot to do. There's a lot that needs to certainly be investigated. Yeah, dip the oil. No oil in the engine, which is always a little bit concerning. But anyway, we'll see how we get on. And I'm sure if you've got any comments to make, please do. And obviously, yeah, let's see the start of yet another diamond rebuild. So here we go, and I'll sign off and enjoy. And look forward to setting up and sending out another episode of Diamond Life for you. Bye for now.